Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about strip function in Python function series. Strip function in Python. What is a strip function and why is it used? Strip function removes the trailing and leading white space and characters from the string. Now let us discuss about the syntax. It starts with the variable name followed by the keyword strip dot strip and inside strip characters. Here the characters is not an essential one. If the characters are not given, then it prints without the white space. So this is the syntax for strip function. Now let us discuss the return type for this function. Strip function returns modified string value without any leading and trailing characters. Now let us discuss it with a small program. Here we are storing a sample string in the variable str and we are using the strip function and removing the white spaces in it, and it is stored in white space str and we are just printing the white space str. In the next one we are just removing the white space and an asterisk character from the str and we are storing it in star str. Finally we are printing the star str. Let's run our code. In the first line we can able to see that the white spaces are removed. In the second line we can able to see that the white spaces and the asterisk symbol is removed. Hope you guys understand this code. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.